TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials up 27. You get the NASDAQ up 30. S&Ps are up 4. Gold contract down $6.50, trading at $11.65. Silver down 6 cents at $17.09 an ounce. You got platinum down 18 at $9.20 an ounce. Light sweet crude up 62 cents, $51.46 a barrel. Notes, the 10-year note down 3 ticks, 124.14. 30-year bond off 23 ticks, 149.09. Now, both the notes and the bonds have rejected lower price once again. They did it yesterday, did it this morning. Both times on lighter volume. They were going into that December 5th area. Notes and bonds want higher price, lower yield. King dollar up 500 ticks. We're at 101.630. King dollar got back inside its higher range yesterday, where it broke down from that's 100.600. What I expect you're going to see here is that the 101.885, that was where it broke down from. I expect that one's going to get tested. We'll see what gets tested today. The euro is at 105, and the yen is trading at 115.07. We go over and we take a look at the cash. S&P, what do you have with the cash? Another higher high. Bottom line, we'll see how this baby shakes out. Get higher as high, whether it's volume or not, you can go higher. Dow Industrials, Dow right now, on Wednesday, we're at 19,229. You're at 19,644 right now. 664 was the high of yesterday. We'll see how this handles it up at this level. Now, the composite. So yesterday, folks, we have the Dow at highs, the S&Ps at highs, the small cap at highs. The composite went to a high yesterday. It got over the price point of that 54.02, and you did have a bit. You had 2.2 billion shares, which is decent volume coming in the Nasdaq Composite. That being said, guess what? The NDX 100 is still the culprit out here. It's pretty amazing, actually. So the NDX 100 right now we're at 48.87. 48.96 is the last swing high. That's not the high, however. The high is 49.11. For some reason, the NDX 100 has zero, well, just don't have buyers. That's what it comes down to. The Qs, what the Qs did yesterday is this. The Qs did 18 million shares, contraction big time from the prior day, which was 26 million. You're going into only 18.5 off the last swing point. We'll see how it handles it. It's testing this swing point right now from the 29th. That high there is 119.51. Right now, we've hit 119.43. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? Gold contract, folks, is trading at a price point of 1165.80. We've been down to 1162. You've been up to 1173. Now, intraday, this is going to be interesting for Friday because what we have out here is this. You're coming in testing the lows of today, and the lows of today actually had light volume. When it broke down at 8 o'clock this morning at that 1162, that was light volume versus how you had gone topside. So gold has a shot after this test here to get back up into the 1172 to 1173 area, which was the highs of today. We go take a look at the bond market. What you have with bonds, notes and bonds want higher price. Pretty cool how they're actually trading down into the bar from the December 1st area. December 1st, we had 1.8 million contracts. You're down there today at 707,000. That means we'll do about 1 million. Bottom line, you had the rejection of lower price yesterday. It looks like we're going to have it once again today. King dollar. What do we have with King dollar? King dollar, folks, trading out at a price point of 101.610. Now, the high of where it broke down from is 101.800. I do expect, we're close enough to that today, maybe we'll test it out here today. What we do have, that being said, though, guess what? You have a high volume low from yesterday at 99,490 that wants to get tested. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you each and every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, give them a call at 855-750-4051 or visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Look forward to speaking to you right back here Monday morning, 10 o'clock.
Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how Everbank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? Everbank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? Everbank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. Everbank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you, like it does me, call 1-855-750-4051 to find out what they can do for you. That's 1-855-750-4051. Call them today. Everbank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.